Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a folder on the Adobe Fresco application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should go back to your home page. And then click on the files section and then tap on this map and plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Type in the name of your new folder that you would like to create. Click on the save button down below, and as you can see, your new folder has been created. If you would like to add a document, tap on the plus icon and then you should either create a new document, or as you go back and tap on this three dots icon of one of your documents and click on the move to button, you will be able to move it to your newly created folder. Just simply click on the folder and tap on the move here button down below in the right side of the screen, and it will be moved there automatically. As you can see, the item has been moved to this folder, so you can find it here. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.